these visuals are not just a symbol of hope for the COVID heroes, but also
that because we are getting in pictures from the Rajpath. We're getting in pictures from the Rajpath. Interrupting you, we'll just go across to our guests also in just a bit. These are absolutely stunning pictures that are coming in from the Rajpath, that in celebrating our COVID warriors, this special and a unique gesture that has now been gone across to them when it comes to our Indian Air Force fighter jets from the Western Air Command that will be dropping petals across the hospitals in the city. And this is a special gesture where our fighter aircraft formations comprising of Sukhoi 30, MKI, MiG-29 and Jaguar flying over Rajpath in central Delhi and will circle over the city for quite some time now. As we are looking at the skies that have opened up, there was a slight delay earlier that was expected because of the weather conditions. It's been raining since morning in the national capital, but nothing will stop when it comes to our warriors. Our warriors paying those tributes, paying that gratitude from the sky to the sea, on the land as well. This is a very special and a unique gesture where our armed forces, who have always kept our nation safe, our citizens safe, this is a unique gesture on their part that they are coming out to those who have been helping others in time of the pandemic that everyone is facing. In different parts of the national capital, as I was telling you, many hospitals that will be covered. The bands will also be played. There will be a showering of petals that will be done. And this is a very unique gesture of the aircraft formations comprising of the Sukhoi 30 MKI, MiG-29, Jaguar flying over Rajpath in central Delhi and will be circling the city for a while for now. We're looking at a similar flight profile as the fighter jets covering the entire Delhi and the national capital region as well. The planes that are flying approximately at a height of 500 meters to 1,000 meters, keeping the aerosafe safety in mind, especially looking at the weather conditions. It was absolutely clear skies till yesterday, but this morning a bit gloomy as the rains were also witnessed, and to that effect also news came in that there would be a slight delay in the program, but nevertheless it is back on time, absolutely on track. It was on 10:15 a.m. where we were expecting this program to begin in the national capital, and dot on time we're looking at the special flight formation that has been made on part of our armed forces, even at this time of disaster, coming out in the special and the unique way to thank our COVID warriors. The pictures coming in from Rajpath, and due to the pandemic as well and the 40-day lockdown that has been witnessed in the entire country, pollution levels, especially in the national capital, has significantly cleared. And very clear pictures as we are getting from now, as well as Colonel Shailendra Singh will tell us more on the flight profile operations that are also being taken place. The pictures that are coming in from Rajpath, and we have seen this, especially when it comes to the flypast during Republic Day celebrations. This is even more unique, even more special.
Before I come to the operational part, I must tell you something very good. What we are treating, or anybody is treating, that probably there was a gloomy sky. No, it was not. See the beauty of Mother Nature. Mythology tells us that gods shower rain when they are happy. So what defense forces are doing, we had the rain as a blessing from the gods. The Surya Bhagwan comes out and brings that hope that yes, now your fighter aircrafts can do the job of taking and supporting the corona warriors. See, it is only a matter of how we interpret. We have the rain, we have the pollutions cleared, we have the sun coming, and we have all our aircrafts coming out in air to do the job which was visualized. What happened yesterday and what happened today is an entirely different thing. But the better part of today is everything is happening what was planned for. And we have the Mother Nature and all the gods blessing our country, standing with the defense forces in their gesture of this ceremony of saluting the corona warriors. That is what I can tell you. I think our country and our countrymen and the warriors are absolutely blessed to have such kind of situation where gods are happy, the defense forces are with you, the country is with you, and all of us acknowledge all the people who are involved in it. I will also include all essential services. I will even involve all the, thank all the NGOs. I would like to say even those people who have contributed towards the Prime Minister Care. They are also warrior, because these are the money, these are the efforts which are making all other corona warriors fight it well, get it acknowledged, and a grand salute from the Defence Forces.
Well, Richa, this is absolutely scenic, and how Colonel Surinder Singh put it across, it's a very positive and a different way of looking at it altogether. If the skies have cleared now, at this very precise moment when the flypast to take place was to happen, and we are looking at those pictures coming in from Rajpath in New Delhi.
And one more.
Yes, sir. Please go on.
Okay, there are only 3 times that the Defence Forces come in Delhi ceremonially. One is 15th August, another is 26th January, and now is today, the 3rd time, first time ever in our country that yes, the Defence Forces are saluting those that what we were doing, today you are doing, and thereby also conveying a message. Anything you do, any attempt you do, we are there with you. And we are there right now to salute you. We are there to tell the country, don't worry, you do your job of fighting. We are there with you, not only externally to have any external aggression, but we are also looking at you inside. And we are prepared to support you in any way where we can.
All right, so nation saluting our COVID heroes as they're all coming together, the C-130J Super Hercules and the transport aircrafts, the fighter jets, all that have been put in place. Bands as well from the Army, from the Air Force and the Navy, and our coastline will be lit by this evening as the rehearsals were already taking place simultaneously from different parts of the country. Those pictures coming in live. We will continue to put those across after a very short break.